Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to do a realistic paint job on a handgun. This is one of my resin cast Glock 34s, and it's incredibly detailed, but obviously it's not the right color, so we want to paint that so that it looks right. So what you're going to do is you're going to paint it with a flat black base coat. I like using this primer because it goes on really thin so that you can see all the details, and it covers well, and it dries really quick, so it's easy to work with. You're also going to need a graphite powder. This is a powder form. You can get it on Amazon. You're going to apply this with a rag, and then the last thing you'll need is a matte or a satin clear coat. I like using this because, again, it goes on really well and it dries quick. So this one I have already done. I've already done the black, flat black base coat, and I've already masked it off so that to save time. And I'm going to take this graphite powder and this rag, and I'm just very carefully going to dip that in there and buff the surface of this slide. And I'm pretty much working this into the surface of the paint, and the more you buff it, the more it's going to shine and stand out, and it looks incredibly realistic, like actual metal. And you can spend a lot of time doing this and bring it up to a really nice shine, or you can just do something really quick and it'll look almost as good. Again, for a handgun, we don't need a super chrome finish on this. We just need something that looks pretty shiny and metallic so that it shows off all the details. Now for a handgun, this is a bit too much of a shiny finish, and in its current state, this is going to rub off incredibly easily. So we want to seal this with the clear coat, and once that has been sealed, it actually dulls the finish down a little bit. And as you can see, this is a finished one. It's already dry and everything, but it's got the the black part on the frame, but this realistic gunmetal finish on the slide. And here's another one. And as you can see, this is incredibly convincing. So there you go. That's how you do a realistic graphite paint finish.